name's Kathleen Kelly, and I'm a psychiatric nurse practitioner at Atlas Behavioral Health in Palm Coast, Florida. I like to speak about one of my favorite subjects, and that's pets. Especially the health benefit of pets. Many times people come into the office, they've lost a loved one, they're very depressed, they feel lonely, they feel like they don't have a purpose in life. And I ask them if they have a pet. In fact, when I do a new evaluation on a patient, one of the questions I do ask them is, what is your living situation? Who comprises your family? And do you have any pets? Not only do you have any pets, but what are their names, what kind of pets they are, and we speak a little about that. That tells me a lot about a person. So I feel good when somebody has pets in the home. Especially when there are children in the home, it teaches them a lot of responsibility. It teaches them how to take care of others other than themselves. Health benefits. For those people that come in that are depressed and they feel lonely and have no purpose, I encourage them to get a pet, especially to go to the Humane Society. And I know what I'm talking about. I've adopted about 12 animals from the Humane Society. Not all at once, but at different times in my life. In fact, right now, I have 4 cats that are rescued animals and 1 dog, whose name is Atlas. What I have found with pets is that they are good listeners. They don't argue. And they're very intent on what you have to say. They give you unconditional love. Especially if somebody has gone through a bad relationship. They know that there is that faithful companion waiting for them when they come home. Also, it gets people out of the house. The health benefits of walking your dog is enormous. And many people today do not go out and exercise. So having a dog would help you to get that exercise you need. Also, meeting other people. I found that when I got a dog and I had to take him out, anybody else that had a dog that I came upon on the street or in the dog park, you struck up a conversation. This is Atlas. Say hi, Atlas. Atlas was a rescue dog that came into our practice, and he was recuperating from some injuries. And when he recovered, I went to the Humane Society and rescued him. Atlas comes in to work every day. In fact, if Atlas isn't around, the patients are saying, "Where's Atlas?" Atlas loves children. And I'll give you an example of how empathetic he is. One of the therapists called me in one day to check on a patient's medication, and the woman started crying. Atlas jumped up on her lap and started licking her tears. I have to say that woman is doing very well today. I'm not saying necessarily it was Atlas, but maybe it was a combination of things. So Atlas is a very good companion. I spoke about the upsides of having an animal. Now, for those of you that don't have time for animals, or you have a busy schedule, or are financially strapped, maybe an animal may not be a good idea for you, because it can get expensive, especially when they get sick. Work with your Humane Society. What I have found is that you can have your animals neutered or spayed for a low amount of money. And there are actually some places that will do it for nothing. Also, maybe you cannot take in a pet of your own. Volunteer at the Humane Society. They're always looking for dog walkers. But get connected with that little furry animal that will have a multitude of health benefits for you.